Caroline, people always say location and quality matters. Why?
Because location determines the value and accessibility, while qualities determine the safety and durability.
Okay. Can we now say location is about where the property is?
Exactly. Good road, security, and schools, and even future development increase property value.
Okay. Let us now talk about quality.
Quality is all about strong materials. Strong materials, proper construction, and professional finishing.
What will now happen if one is missing?
A good building in a bad location struggles, while a poor quality building in a good location won't last.
So you mean we need both to succeed?
Yes, in real estate and construction, location attracts while quality retains.